Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get the Beignet in Jailbreak. Start by spawning at the docks and equipping a light melee weapon for mobility and brief defenses. Move quickly to the designated rooftop, marked by the blue flag, and wait for the patrol to clear the area. Use the cover of the alley to approach the chest and activate the interaction button for a brief window to claim the Beignet. Prepare thoroughly before you attempt the Beignet run to reduce mistakes and downtime. Check your inventory for mobility boosts and distraction items that let you slip past patrols unnoticed. Scout the map to confirm spawn locations and any intermittent patrol patterns that could foil a rush. Finally, coordinate with teammates or wait for lull periods where player traffic is low so your timing window. Execution requires calm and a steady hand so you don't lose the chance at the Beignet. Move when guards have turned away and use quick, decisive inputs to interact with the object during its short active state. If something goes wrong, retreat to your preplanned escape route and reset. Repeat the approach when the area is clear. Staying patient increases your success rate and keeps gear loss minimal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.